What are you doing? Nice blinker.
Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross-Racing, coming to you on Hump Day. Okay, never mind. Wanted to talk to you about something real quick, something that one of my riding buddies thunk up, and we all know who that is. Yeah, that's right. It's Mr. Dirty Deez. Like Deez. Never mind. Anyway, so Dirty Deez came up with the idea of hashtag support, which was a great idea. Way for up-and-coming YouTubers, motovloggers to support each other in their channels by putting hashtag support in the comments. So the way it works is you go ahead and put hashtag support down in my comment section, and you also add something that worked for you when you started your channel, as well as something that didn't work for you. And you know, it's kind of like a lessons learned as far as things that work, things that didn't work. Just leave one of each. And then what everybody should do is check out the people in the comments, and if you haven't already subscribed to them, go ahead and go check out their content. And if you like it, go ahead and support them by subscribing, hitting that bell notification, and start following their work. As Dirty Deez has pointed out, you know, if 10 people subscribe to 10 more, and so on and so forth, then it grows exponentially. So I just think it's just a great all-around way of supporting each other, supporting the up-and-coming YouTubers, motovloggers, helping them grow their subscription base, and just being supportive to each other. I've met a ton of people just within the last few months. So one thing that this does is it primarily benefits those of the people who actually leave the comments, not necessarily the people that post a video like this on their channel. So feel free to leave comments, do hashtag support, go check out each other's content, create your own video, get it out there, and so on and so forth, man. Let's see if we can make this thing grow. Again, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications as I release a new video every Wednesday. Thanks again, everyone, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.